Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be doing a review of a stool that came in from John Lewis. Now on this channel I do go into the depth of the crap I buy, good or bad, and it just looks as though today I've managed to get myself something that looks really cool and really nice. It's just a simple stool. If it works out any good, then I'll buy more of them. So let's do an unboxing first and have a look. Start by taking this tape off. Ooh, polystyrene, excellent. That looks a cool stool, doesn't it, guys? Let's move the box over. So there is the stool. That's an oak top, and that's got metal legs. It's sort of got like it's almost like painted and then they've scraped it off. Very good solid construction. Nice bit of oak. So the question is, what's it like to sit on? That's nice. I like that. It's nice on your bottom. Bit wobbly though. So we'll have a little bit of a closer look. I'll put it on the table and we can have a better look round it, because it does feel a bit wobbly to me whilst I'm sat on it. So we can see it's a good construction. It does look nice. A bit of a rough edge there, a bit of swarf, but then it is metalwork. Yeah, it does feel nice. Bits of swarf all over the place though. Just there and there. Am I being picky? Yeah. One downside I can see. Would that bug you? Yeah, I think that would bug you, wouldn't it? Apart from that, the top does look nice, doesn't it? It does look the business. So the question is, am I going to keep it? Well, in this instance, I think I'm going to send it back. It cost £125, and because it wobbles, I think it's reasonable to say it's going to have to go back. So if I was reviewing this out of points out of 10, I would give this a 5 out of 10 because it wobbles. And that's pretty much the best I could do. The construction, it's solid. There's no doubt about that. It's really good quality construction. And the oak top, that is lovely. So that wobble is a wobble too much, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is either take it back down to John Lewis. That might be a good idea. And I could bring you guys with me and we can have a look and see how we go through getting it replaced. Or I go back online and reorder it. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please subscribe and please share. The question is for you guys. Just pop it down below the video. Have you bought anything from John Lewis? And if you have, what type of problems did you have on getting replacement, if any? For me, I've never had a problem with them. In fact, they've been as good as gold, and this will be no different. They usually tell you that from the day you buy some up, and they also never undersell. But let's see how we get on with this and how long it's going to take me to get a replacement. And I'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!